Very honestly, I would not have the courage to quit my job and take up something if I hadn't had these investments.
Ready and action.
It felt amazing.
Wonderful.
Exciting.
I saw my name and I saw something I owned, right?
So I'm a freelancer, right? I don't want to be in a position where I have to choose projects because I need the money.
Like any other Indian kid, I do want a house of my own. I think the fact that I'm nearing my retirement age is what made me realize that I need to invest.
अब मेरा ये समय है कि मैं अपने लिए कुछ करूं.
I was excessively anxious about it.
You know, you're used to spending it on things where you get instant gratification. That doesn't happen in this case.
एंड में पैसा जाता है तो दुख तो होता है. So you need to know where you're putting in your money and you need to do your research.
I don't think anything has given me more confidence than investing money. I see my money grow, and that's how I'm going to achieve my goal faster.
Back of your head, you know that your money is making money for you. Then you can just do what you love or follow your passion.
Very honestly, I would not have the courage to quit my job and take up something if I hadn't had these investments.
मैं काफी सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट हो गई हूँ. मतलब अभी मैं मेरे मन से एक डर मतलब निकल गया है कि ये होगा तो क्या होगा, ये होगा तो नहीं, कुछ जो होगा देखा जाएगा. मतलब करना ही है. कॉन्फिडेंट आ गया है कि मुझे अपने लिए अभी कुछ करना ही है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं काफी लेट हो गई हूँ मतलब अपनी एज के हिसाब से सेविंग करना.
When you enter the stock market, you know that there's bound to be ups and downs. So you got to handle it, you got to be prepared for it. I think it's just trust, faith and patience.
Younger self, I started investing pretty early. So I think because I could have had the effect of compounding, if I would have done it way earlier, then it would have been better. Don't do it because of FOMO. Don't do it because everybody else is doing it. Do it because you want to do it.
It will give you the courage to be able to pursue whatever you want to pursue.
I would like to say, if you have an internet connection and if you have a device to watch videos with, there's absolutely nothing in the world you can't learn.
In today's era, it's very, very important that you are financially independent and you're also making decisions like investing, because when you do something like that, it gives you another level of confidence.
Don't wait as long as I did.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.